Nights, it's Abby.
And it's Chloe.
Welcome back to KNTV.
Let's get started with what's been going on with cross country.
The team went out to Elk Grove Park last Wednesday and took home 3 of the 4 championship banners.
Don't forget there is a cross country practice the rest of the week, and tomorrow is a cross country pizza party.
Moving on, we're starting Red Ribbon Week on the 27th.
Here's Bruce with an update on Red Ribbon Week.
Hey Knights, we are starting our Red Ribbon Week campaign once again. The days of Red Ribbon Week will last from October 27th through October 31st. Let's now talk a little bit more about the background information on what Red Ribbon Week represents. Red Ribbon Week is a campaign to promote living drug-free and its benefits. We honor a DEA agent who passed in the line of duty while investigating drug traffickers. Each day this week you'll dress up differently, and there will be a game during your lunch for each day. Here's what's happening on the following days. Monday, you dress up in red to show that you are ready to be drug-free, and you'll play tug-of-war at lunch to show that you pull away from drugs. Tuesday is squad day, where you and your friends will match to show that you are standing together against drugs. The game that day is three-legged race, showing that you unite against drugs. Wednesday is students versus teachers, where you dress as teachers and teachers will dress as students. We dress like this to show that we don't do drugs now or ever. The lunch game will be dance battles, showing that you dance away from drugs. Thursday is a camo day to showcase that you hide away from the usage of drugs, alongside with the lunchtime game of dodgeball, saying you dodge away from drugs. And on Friday is Halloween day, where you dress in your costume to scare drugs away. And we will have a costume contest at lunch as the activity on Friday. Well, I hope you know what and why we participate in Red Ribbon Week as a school. Take it away in the studio.
Thanks, Bruce.
Don't forget, 8th graders, we have one more day left of basketball tryouts.
And the first basketball practice is on the 23rd.
Last Wednesday, we started the Kids Can Food Drive.
Let's take a closer look at what the Kids Can is about.
Now let's talk about the Can Food Drive. The Can Food Drive will be from October 15th to November 14th. All of our donations will go to the Elk Grove Food Bank. The Elk Grove Food Bank does an amazing work for our community, so let's take a look at what they do. Remember, all donations must be canned or boxed and must not be glass. All donations will be brought to your advocacy room and placed in the box that was handed out last week. The best items you can donate are peanut butter, beans, diced fruit, cereal, snack bars, pasta, baby formula, and applesauce, just to name a few. Now let's get back to the broadcast.
Let's talk about our final announcements.
Remember, wrestlers, there's practice the rest of the week.
Also, today we have the Arrive Alive Assembly today.
Now we have Abby on the final segment, Club Corner.
Here on this episode of Club Corner, we'll be reviewing the book club. Miss Wallace, the librarian, is the supervisor of this club that you can go to during your lunchtime. Don't be worried that you won't get any lunch, because you'll still be able to eat your lunch in the library. You will decide as a group on the genre of your book you are going to be reading. You have 2 meetings to finish the book. An example of a reading time frame was September 23rd to October 21st, and each lunch will decide on a different genre to read. The majority of the time you will read the same genre or theme of a book, but alternate the book itself. But sometimes you may have a genre switch. The meeting times for the club is the first 10 minutes into your lunch, but the ending varies depending on the discussion. Let's take a look at what a book club looks like. Well, that's it for this episode of Club Corner. Let's get back to the broadcast.
That's it for this episode of KNTV.
Remember, nights show kindness, effort, respect, and responsibility.